Back in 2015, I made an address sign for the house. It's a pretty fun and easy project to do. I printed out the numbers and cut the paper down to size. I had these pieces of plywood I had ripped on the table saw prior and attached the paper templates to them. Then it was just a matter of cutting the shapes out on the bandsaw. Some of the numbers I cut in half in order to get, to the inside cuts of it. And I'd later reattach them using wood glue and just set them to dry. Now we aligned the numbers so they would sit, and then I marked the positions so I can recall them later. I routed out a nice border for the board. Then I painted the exposed wood. For letters, we used black paint. Then we realigned the numbers and used wood glue and brad nails to attach them to the board. Let's install the sign and call it done. I hope you enjoyed the project. Subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.